Banana, banana, bobana, B5 bofana. I really hate bananas.
That totally sucked. What?
Oh, who said that?
Don't quit your day job, buddy.
I don't have a job.
That's a shocker.
Are you my conscience?
No.
Talking grasshopper?
Yes.
Really?
No.
Oh. Well, where are you?
Hello, McFly. Right here, right in front of you.
Where?
Oh, come on. What are you, tone deaf and blind? Whoa.
Oh, it's a midget apple.
No. I'm a crab apple. That's a midget apple.
We prefer the term little apple, thank you very much.
Wait. So you're a crab apple? I thought that was a crab apple.
Madam Count. Does that sort of thing happen a lot around here?
Nah, I think it's just a spur-of-the-moment thing.
Are you finished?
No, I'm an orange.
Shut up. Cripes, I'm starting to miss the singing.
Oh, really?
No, none of this is good. I'm stuck with an orange that runs his mouth like a weed eater on rocket fuel, a crab that thinks he's a cowboy, and a freaking midget apple.
That's little apple.
Nobody cares.
Hey, crab apple.
Shut it.
Hey,
Shut.
crab.
No.
Hey,
Shut. Be quiet.
crab apple.
Shut up.
Want to hear about the time I met a pumpkin?
No.
Jeez, you are an apple.
Crab apple.
Yeah, no kidding.
No kidding. That's all you've been doing since I got here. No kidding would be great. You should get to work on that right away, you freaking idiot.
Okay, so I said pumpkin, more like plumpkin.
Dimple-faced, dim-witted pilot.
Get it? Because he's a pumpkin, and he's plump. Plumpkin?
It's not funny. It's...
Plumpkin!
No, it's... Hey, what happened to the lights?
Plumpkin!
Plumpkin?
Ow! Hey, how's it going, Plumpkin?
I think I just sat on a midget apple.
Hey, it's little apple.
Whatever.
Hey, Plumpkin!
Yeah.
Crab!
Madam Cowboy!